Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is your girl Christinia Faith. So today we're doing a wig review by a company, ReadyWig. They sent me a beautiful wig and I'm really excited for this review because this wig is so cute. I've been dying for like a greenish ash gray wig. So this is how it comes. So inside it comes with the wig, and the wig does come in the netting thing, but I already took that off because I was so excited to see the wig. It comes with a spray bottle, which I absolutely need, and it comes with wig caps. I feel like all wig companies need to include wig caps in their packages now because come on now, we need it. And it comes with a little card. Alright, so this is the wig straight out the package. And it comes with ear-to-ear lace, and this is a lace frontal unit, and this is how much parting space you get on the inside. And it's a really beautiful soft lace. It's a little light for my complexion, but the good thing is that you could always add foundation or concealer to change the color of the lace to match your complexion. I think that's really good. It'll help everybody out because you can't go lighter, but you can definitely go darker. On the inside it has mesh covering. I love that. Oopsie doops. Adjustable combs on the side. Really interesting. Oh, it's near the ear tab, so I guess you could adjust this. Use the adjustable combs on the side instead of using like got to be free spray or any got to be glue. That will help you. And yeah, 2 adjustable straps. Alright, so this is everything pushed to the front. So what I'm gonna do is, I already have like an idea in mind. What I'm gonna do first is just brush out these curls so you can see the curl pattern brushed out, because I feel like it will look really nice and cute. Ooh, this is a lot of volume. I'm loving it. So yeah, this is the hairline. It does look like it was like pre-plucked a little bit, but I'm not gonna go into it anymore because I'm probably just gonna wear it in the side part, and it really doesn't look that bad to me. And yeah, this is the parting area right here. I'm definitely keeping it in this part, and it goes from right here to about right here, and I will definitely pluck that a little bit more. As far for the texture, it definitely has like that dolly texture that I've been talking about, and it is pretty long. This wig is actually really long. Ooh. Yeah, this wig is actually super long. I feel like a mermaid, guys. This is so cute. Alright guys, so this wig is definitely big head friendly. I'm not using the frontal part. I'm literally just shifting the wig to the side because I do like how it looks in the side part area over here. I'm not a fan of how it looks in the middle. I don't think this color like works well for me in the middle, so I'm definitely gonna keep it as a side part. But what I'm gonna do now is cut it because these curls in this length is just way too long, and this is a synthetic unit, so usually when I get curly wigs like this, I don't really keep it this long because it's gonna be really problematic. But yeah, so first things first, let me start off with the pros of the wig and like what I did and such. So as you can see in the beginning, the wig was like super long, and I loved it long, but I was just like no. So pros for this wig, it's big head friendly, right? Really big head friendly, y'all. So if your head is bigger than mine, you're really good. I think if I actually do wear this wig outside, I'm gonna have to secure it to my head because it's like a lot of room left over, which is like a really good thing. Another pro for this wig is the color. I absolutely love the color of this wig. I've never had a wig this color before, so I wanted to try something new. So yeah, I actually really love that. And I love the fact that the lace was soft and the lace was brown, so that's two big things for me. And it did come with baby hairs, but it wasn't excessive. And those are like 3 things that I like the most, because like there are like some really big wig companies who like they still mess up on those 3 little things. So I thought that was like a pro that I should share with you guys. So the cons of this wig, the texture of this wig is, how can I explain it? It's dolly hair texture. So when you go on the website, and I think like in the info box or something like that, it says cosplay wig, so you have to keep that in mind. And from what I know about like cosplay wigs, like they usually dress up as like characters, and these wigs aren't really meant to be worn as like everyday wigs. Like we would usually wear it, you know. So that's like an only con. The texture of the hair is like pretty bad, and I didn't like the curls of the wig either. So the curls and the texture together really made it like kind of terrible. But I feel like if the texture of the wig was just a little bit more yucky, it would have been totally fine. And the curls, that's just my preference. So I mean, there's some people who might like these curls and some people who don't. Yeah, the wig is pretty thick. It's a really thick density, so yeah, keep that in mind too. So you have some room to work with it. Like if you like your wigs to be thinner, you could definitely go in and thin it out a little bit more, but I didn't do that because I already cut it. So I was like, I'm gonna leave it a little thick for now, and as I do wear this wig, I'm gonna see if it becomes to tangle or shed a lot. But yeah, so that is the end of this wig review. And if I didn't say already, thank you ReadyWig for sending me this beautiful wig. Much appreciated. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Make sure you guys check out the description box because there is a lovely coupon code. If you decide to go on their website and buy something, I will put the coupon code on the screen, and then I will also link everything down below for you. I will link this wig down below for you if you like, and then their official website, their official Instagram, their official Facebook, all that jazz will be down in the description box. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.